Good morning friends. Today we will discuss about RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India, and SEBI, that is Securities and Exchange Board of India. So RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India, is the regulator of banking sector in India. म्हणजे भारतामध्ये बँकिंग सेक्टर रेग्युलेट करण्याचं काम हे RBI करते. On the other hand, SEBI, that is Securities and Exchange Board of India, is the regulator of securities market in India. The securities market is widely known by share market in India. So the regulator of share market is SEBI, is the regulator of share market. Then RBI is the known as banker to the banks. Means all the banks are registered under the RBI and all the banks are regulated by RBI. म्हणजे RBI या बँक ही भारतातील सर्वोच्च बँक आहे, सर्वात मोठी बँक आहे आणि RBI हे बँकिंग सेक्टरला रेग्युलेट करण्याचं काम करते. सर्व बँका या RBIच्या अंडर रजिस्टर्ड आहेत आणि सर्व बँक्स हे रेग्युलेट करण्याचं काम RBI कडे. SEBI regulates the securities market, that is share market, and all the stock exchanges, brokers, these all are registered to the SEBI, and they all stock exchanges, brokers all have to comply and follow the rules and regulations made by SEBI, established under the RBI Act 1934. On the other hand, SEBI is established under the Securities and Exchange Board of India Act 1992. So, the RBI is the one and only institution which regulates the banking sector in India, and SEBI is one and the only institution which regulates the share market or securities market in India. So every Indian must know about these two institutions. These two are the prestigious institutions of India, and these two are the main pillars of Indian economy. Whole economy of India is based on these two pillars, that is RBI and SEBI. The headquarters of RBI is situated in Mumbai, and also the headquarters of SEBI is situated in Mumbai. SEBI is located in BKC area of Mumbai. I personally has visited the SEBI headquarters. It is a very nice place, and its National Stock Exchange is situated near the SEBI headquarters. The institutions are situated in Mumbai. So that is why Mumbai is known as economic hub or economic capital of India. Then next is RBI makes all the laws, rules and regulations governing the banks in India. So all the banks have to follow these rules and regulations made by RBI. This is compulsory on banks to follow the rules and regulations made by RBI. If the banks violates the rules and regulations laid down by RBI, then RBI can impose penalties on banks. RBI is the primary lending institution in India. म्हणजे भारतामध्ये कर्ज देण्याचं काम मुख्य कर्जदाता ही RBI हीच बँक आहे, and all the banks are subordinate to RBI. RBI is the uppermost banking institution in India. RBI is known as banker to the banks. सर्व SBI, HDFC अशा सर्व जे बँक आहेत या बँका RBI कडून कर्ज घेतात आणि हे RBI कडून घेतलेलं कर्जच सर्व आपल्या भारतीय लोकांमध्ये वाटप करतात. तर RBI यांना कर्ज देते आणि बँकेंना कर्ज देते आणि बँका आपल्याला कर्ज देतात. तर आपल्यासाठी कर्ज देणारी संस्था म्हणजे बँक आहेत आणि बँकांसाठी कर्ज देणारी संस्था किंवा बँकेची बँक ही RBI आहे. Then on the other hand, SEBI makes the rules, regulations and laws to regulate the securities market in India. म्हणजे भारतामध्ये जे सिक्युरिटीज मार्केट किंवा शेअर मार्केट आहे याविषयी कायदे नियम सेबी हे कायदे आणि नियम बनवते. आणि स्टॉक एक्सचेंजेस जसे की NSE आणि BSE आहेत, बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज आणि नॅशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, यांना हे सेबी जे रूल्स अँड रेग्युलेशन्स बनवेल ते त्यांना फॉलो करावे लागतात. आणि दुसरे जे ब्रोकर्स सुद्धा जे असतील, ब्रोकर्स जसे की अपस्टॉक्स आहे, एंजल ब्रोकिंग आहे, तर यांना सुद्धा जे सेबी रूल्स अँड रेग्युलेशन्स बनवते हे सर्व रूल्स अँड रेग्युलेशन्स फॉलो करावे लागतात. आणि जर इफ these stock exchanges or brokers violate the rules and regulations laid down by SEBI, then SEBI can punish these stock exchanges and brokers for violating the rules and regulations laid down by SEBI. Then next point is that RBI and SEBI, these two are the independent institutions. The government does not control these institutions, they work independently. Now we will summarize the points we have studied in this video. So RBI is the banking regulator and SEBI is the securities market regulator. RBI is established under the RBI Act 1934, whereas SEBI is established under the SEBI Act 1992. RBI makes the rules and regulations for this regulating the banks in India, whereas SEBI makes the rules and regulations for regulating the securities market in India. RBI can penalize or punish the banks for violating the rules and regulations laid down by RBI, whereas SEBI also can penalize the brokers, the stock exchanges which violates these rules and regulations laid down by SEBI. So in this way, these are the RBI and SEBI are the two major institutions in India. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and encourage me to make more and more videos for you, which will help you and also me to increase our knowledge. Thank you.